Hi, everybody. It's Kate. I'm the Recreation Program Supervisor at the Holly Community Center. It's sure been a while since I've seen you, but I hope you're doing well, and I hope you're finding at least one thing fun to do every day. I did something fun today. I made a stick mobile, and I'm going to show you how to do it. What you need are some sticks, some yarn or some string. You also need some twine or cord. It could be kitchen cord, it could be binder twine, whatever you can find. You will also require some clothes pegs, as well as some photos, and of course, scissors to cut the twine and the yarn. So let me show you how I did it. What I did, I gathered some sticks. I did not cut them off trees. I found them on the ground, so they're dead. I didn't want to injure the tree by cutting down or breaking off any of its branches. Now, when I put this together, I lay it flat on the table with the three sticks equally distanced apart. And then what I did with the yarn was I wrapped the yarn around the branches at various locations just to make it pretty. With the cord, I attached all the sticks together, just wrapping it around once or twice and tying a simple knot. I also used the cord to make a hanger for it. Once I completed that outline, I then hung it up and I used my clothes pegs to attach some of my pictures to the mobile. You could also, if you wanted, hang your artwork on this, or postcards, or letters, or drawings, whatever you have. I chose photos because I'm not that good of an artist. It was a fun project to do. It didn't take that long. And you know what? With some simple supplies that you can probably find in your house, in your garage, or in your garden, it doesn't make a bad piece of art. So I do hope you'll give this a try. I do so look forward to seeing you back at the Holly Community Center very shortly. Have fun and stay safe.